Now every day when you turn on your Windows device, you waste at least couple of minutes in just doing basic work like opening your browser, then opening your desired or work tabs. Someday you realize you also have to back up your data, your PC gets slow, and then you realize, oh, you did not clear the cache, the temporary file and all the junk from your device. And this becomes really a headache for you because you are not able to remember each and everything. And even you waste a lot of time in order to bring up all these applications, all these browsers before you start the work. But what if I told you this all can be done automatically every time you turn on your Windows device? Your browser with all the needed tab will be opened automatically. Apps you want to work on will be up. Junk will be cleared automatically. Even many more things can be done depending on your requirement for absolutely free without using any kind of AI or using any third-party application. Yes, without using any third-party application. So Windows give you an amazing feature called the Task Scheduler. And today in this video, I will show you how to automate your work in the Windows machine. Alright, now let's do something practical here so that you can better understand. In order to bring up the Task Scheduler, you can click on Windows search, type Task Scheduler. And on the top only, you will be getting this option. Click on it to bring it up. And the Task Scheduler dashboard will be up. So basically here in the Task Scheduler, you can give an instruction to your Windows device what work you want to be done and when it should be done using the trigger and action feature. Now let's automate something and show exactly how this works. So let's say I want every day when I log into my device, it should automatically bring up the browser like Chrome or Edge along with some important website that I browse. So what do you have to do for each and every task? From the right hand side, you will have to click on create basic task. Give a name for this task. So I can type auto browser. Whatever you want to type, you can type depending that how you can remember it. Then click on next. Now it will ask you, when do you want the task to be started? Now basically I want that every time, every day, whenever I log into my device, these browser can come automatically along with all the websites. So I will have to pick this option that says when I log on. Click on next. Now it says what action do you want the task to perform. So basically I want that the Chrome application, the Chrome browser should be up. So I will have to select start a program. You can even choose an email client or display a message. If for Chrome, you have to select start a program. Click on next. In the program script, you will have to enter the path, the location of the Chrome. And to find out the Chrome location, look for the Chrome icon on your desktop. Right click on it. Click open file location. Again, make a right click on the Chrome icon. Then you will find an option here, copy as path. Click on it and the path will be copied. Now you can come back, make a right click and paste the path over here. And it's a chrome.exe file, so the path has been automatically pasted. You can even browse from here. Then below where it says add argument, here you have to mention the name of the website that you want that should come along with the Chrome browser. So let's say I will take all those websites that I basically open whenever I open the Google Chrome browser, like www.youtube.com. And you also have to mention the website name in the same manner, www.google.com or youtube.com or gmail.com. For another website, give a space. Again type www.gmail.com. Give a space. Then I will take one more website, www.chatgpt.com. Let's take few more websites, www.nbcnews.com. And the last one that I will take is www.reddit.com. Alright, so what instruction we are giving to the Windows that this should bring up this program along with these websites. Now you can click on next and that's it. Click on finish and your task has been successfully created. And in order to view your task, if you click on Task Scheduler Library and on the top only you can see the task that we have created and it will give you all the detail that what exactly it will be doing. Now let me show you an example here. So this time if I close it and restart the computer, so you will see that this time when I log in again, the Chrome browser will be automatically up along with all the website that we have mentioned in the task scheduler. And bingo guys, so you can see immediately after logging into my device, the Chrome browser came up automatically along with all the website. So YouTube is up, Gmail is up, ChatGPT, NBC News, whatever website you will select it, all website will be up automatically. So this way you don't have to manually open the Chrome each and every time, then you have to open all the website. Alright, so now let's take another example that all the cache and junk should be cleared automatically on my Windows 11 device, and it should be done weekly, monthly, whatever you want to choose. So again, bring up the task scheduler, search for it, bring it up. From the right hand side, click create basic task. Name you can give anything, like I will be doing the weekly cleanup, so I can type here weekly cleanup. If you want to do monthly, then you can choose monthly. The name is only to remember. Click on next. Now it will ask you in the trigger that when exactly you want that the cleanup should be done. So if you want daily, weekly, monthly, one time, when the computer starts, these are the options being given. Now I will go with weekly here. You can choose according to your requirement. Click on next. Then it will ask you that which exactly day you want to be done. So let's say I can pick Sunday here. I want that it should be done every Sunday. Then you can also choose the time here, that what exact time you want that the cleanup should be started. So let's say I want that it should be started at 10 p.m. of every Sunday. So I will choose the time 10 p.m. on every Sunday. Then click on next. Start a program. Click on next. In the program script, now we will be running the clean mgr tool here. So type clean mgr.exe. Alright, so this is the program script. This will be running this program. Then in the argument section, you have to type /sage run :1. And this command basically indicate that it will be running in the background. Once you have created, now you can click on next, finish. And this task will also be created on your device. Here it is, weekly cleanup. Now in future, if you want to make any changes with that task, you can also do that. Like let's say today you have created a weekly cleanup, but future you want that it should be done monthly. Then you can bring it up by making a double click on it. Go in the trigger section, select it, click on edit, and you can change the detail from here. Alright, now let's test this weekly cleanup task scheduler. So I will select it, then I will click on run from the right hand side. And you can see it automatically bring the disk cleanup tool, and it will be running in the background. Even you won't be able to see it. Alright, so this way guys, you can create unlimited tasks depending that what work you want to be done. You have to give the instructions to the Windows device. Like to better explain you, I can take another example of creating the backup of important document. So let's say there is a scenario that you have all your important documents, data inside the document section, and you want all the data that you save here, you store here, they should be automatically backed up to another disk. That can be your hard disk, that can be any external SSD or any kind of USB drive. Then what you will have to do, again you have to bring up the task scheduler, click create basic task, name it like auto backup or file backup, whatever you want to give. Click on next. When do you want the task to start? So if you want this backup should be done daily, you can select daily. Click on next. So you can choose the time according to your need. Like whenever you feel that the backup should be started, you can enter that time over here. Again, click on next. Keep this selected to start a program. Click on next. Then in the program script, you will have to type robocopy.exe. So this is the program name that will be helping us to automatically back up all the data to another drive. Now in the add argument section, first you have to enter the location, enter the path of the location where you have the data. If I bring up the file explorer, so this is the location where I have all my data. First you have to copy the path. So let's say if I have in the document, so I will make a right click on it, choose copy as path, come back to task scheduler. I will paste this, and after pasting it, give a space, and then you will have to enter the path, the location of the disk or drive where you want the backup should be done. So I want this all file should be backed up to this USB drive. So what you can do in order to make it easier, bring that particular drive, create a folder here. So right click on the blank space, over up to new, type folder and type PC backup. Once created, again open it, create another folder here. For empty new, choose folder and name it documents because we are copying all the documents. Once created, bring it up. Once you are inside this folder, now you can click on this address box on the top, copy the entire path here, right click on it, choose copy, come back to the task scheduler, paste the path. Alright, one thing that I have missed, sorry, you will have to use the inverted comma before the path of the C drive where you have the data to be backed up, and then even you have to add the inverted comma before the destination location. Alright, so I will also add here. Bingo. Now give a space and type /E. /E basically will copy all the subfolder. Give a space, type /Z, as this will be using the restartable mode in case the copy get interrupted. Again give a space and type /R:3. This means that it will be retrying the failed file 3 times. Again give a space, type /W:5. And that's it. Now click on next and click on finish. And you will see the auto backup also has been created. Now in order to test it, if I click on run, so you can watch here basically how this process will work. And on one side, if I bring up the file explorer and if I bring up the backup drive, and we created a folder here by the name PC backup. So if I open it, then if I open the document, so you can see the file is now moving inside this backup folder. The process has been started, and probably after some time, all the file that you currently have in the document section will be coming to this location. Alright, so see how easily you can ease your work, ease your task on your computer. You can automate Windows to do all the tasks automatically so that you have less thing to remember and less thing to do. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully this tutorial will surely help you. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.